Vivi Stream to Students feature allows students to access a live stream of the classroom display directly on their devices. Note that this feature requires a firmware and software update and must be enabled by IT. If this feature is not available, please contact your IT administrator. By default, the Stream to Students feature will be switched off. To enable this for students, toggle the Stream to All Students button in the Vivi app. For students to view content directly on their devices, they will select Classroom Stream from their app. If content is not shared to the classroom display, students will see a message while waiting for the stream to start. Once sharing begins, students will see a live stream of the classroom display on their device. Students can choose to enter full screen mode, annotate over a screenshot of the classroom display, or select back to exit the stream. It should be noted that, at present, Stream to Students supports the share screen, share window, and share camera features. This can also include the Vivi Whiteboard. Audio is not shared over the classroom stream, but through the classroom display.